Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to link and unlink collection items on your B12 website. By the end, you'll know how to unlink a template page, add a custom link, and control how visitors interact with items like blog posts, services, or team profiles. If you don't want to use a template page for your collection item, you can unlink the template to remove the page. For example, if you want to link a collection item somewhere else. Let's try this on a service collection. In the left sidebar menu, go to Website, then Pages. Select the page and section with your collection item. Scroll to Collection, then click the service that you want to edit. Scroll down to Template, click Unlink, and then select Disconnect. A new link field will appear automatically. Click on it, then enter your link text. Then, choose the link type and select a destination under Links to. You can also set the link to open in a new tab or display as a link or button. If you want to create a new page for your item, be sure to create it first, then select it from your list of pages. If you don't add a new link, your collection item content will display in a pop-up window when clicked. Once you're done making your changes, be sure to click Publish. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.